In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Coinbase. Now, this can be done on your PC on the Coinbase website or on the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. But to start with, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase. From there, when you're logged in, it should look something like this. And since we're trying to buy USDT, we're going to go up to the top right corner and choose to buy and sell. Now from here, we actually have two ways in which we can get USDT. We can either buy it with our local currency, or we can swap an existing coin for USDT. So if you're trying to take money out of your bank account, for example, to buy USDT, what you can do is first be on this screen and be on the buy tab, and you then want to select Bitcoin, and you can either click USDT here or search for it if you can't see it. And when you've got that selected, as you can see, we can now choose how much we want to buy. So if we wanted to buy £100 worth, for example, we could type that in there. And from there, we will need to pay with our local currency wallet, which in my case is my GBP wallet. So if I needed to top this up, I can simply choose to top it up. And from there, I'll be able to get the details that I need to add money to my GBP wallet. And once that money is added, you can simply go ahead and buy, and you will have successfully bought Tether or USDT with that GBP balance. Now, if you needed to convert it, you could go over to this convert tab at the top. And as you can see, I've got some Bitcoin in my wallet. Let's just say I wanted to swap that Bitcoin for USDT. What I can do is come down to the bottom one, because we're swapping from Bitcoin to, and then I can select that and choose USDT. From there, I can choose to convert it all, and that will mean that I swap my Bitcoin for USDT, and I will receive $1.35 of USDT. And you can simply click convert now to confirm that transaction. So that's both of the ways in which you can buy USDT on Coinbase. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.